Yeah. Speaking English or
how will you remember the list?
It's very unfortunate, the news that we have gotten this morning. I was at Parliament chairing Shadow Cabinet, and then I got a call. I spoke to the mother of the Honorable Hon Ssegirinya, who confirmed to me that he has passed on. It's very, very sudden. Honorable Hon Ssegirinya got a little bit worse in the past couple of days. He was brought here, and in engaging with the doctors and families, it was agreed, the doctors advised us, let's make sure no one accesses him to avoid getting infections, because his situation had become dire. So we agreed with the family, let's, as the doctors have guided, no one should visit and so on, so that he didn't catch those infections. And the updates we kept getting, it was a struggle, as if he would improve, and then bits of setbacks and so on. So this morning we got that very, very unfortunate news. When I spoke to the doctors, they told me, well, all the organs have pretty much shut down. They said they're waiting to themselves do the pronunciation, but yeah, clearly that's what it is, because the mother has also got a briefing from other medics. So it is sad that our colleague has passed on. It's very, very, very sad morning.
How would you remember your colleague as the leader of opposition, but also your member of the National Unity Platform?
Honorable Ssegirinya was a very practical leader. Very, very practical. You know, sometimes we imagine leadership is about speaking too much English, wearing nice suits, and so on. That wasn't Honorable Ssegirinya. He was very practical. He would go to the ground, connect with the people, and that's the kind of leader that he was. He was a grounded leader, a community leader. So we shall very much miss that element.
We know that at the time of his death, he still has a case with Allan Ssewanyana in court. How will you take on that case? What does his death mean for this case?
Well, as a lawyer, but anyway, you don't even need to be a lawyer, because if there's a case on your head and you're out of the picture, the case does collapse. So that's now to do with the case in court.
Thank you so much, Hon
Allan. Twafunye meeting endala nga tuli mu kulaba nti kiki ekyetaagisa, naye tetunafuna mawulire ga nkomeredde kuba nange sibaddeewo. Tukyasuubula ddala okubeera mu kitaala.
Well, we are here at the hospital. We were called this morning by the mother of Honorable Ssegirinya Muhammad, who informed us that he has passed on. As you know, he has been here in ICU for some time now. We've been in touch with the family. It's very, very unfortunate news, but we are here waiting to get the final word from the doctors. But it's very, very unfortunate news. So far, from what we see, it's very unfortunate that he has lost his life after such a long struggle.
As a National Unity Platform, how will you remember Honorable Muhammad Ssegirinya?
Of course, Honorable Muhammad Ssegirinya has been a fighter with all of us. He has been one of those who speak the truth for what it is. So it's unfortunate, but we are going to communicate to the country officially in the coming days.
Thank you so much. NTV Sebo, it's Saturday for Ugandans here. We are live on NTV
and BBS.
Kibi nnyo mawulire gannaku. Ssegirinya tewalifudde mu kaseera kano. Ssegirinya twali tulina sitole nnyingi ez'okutegeeza bannayuganda. Ssegirinya twabonaabona Mukama Katonda takuwadde mukisa kusobola kweyagalira mu bulamu bwo Mukama Katonda.
Ennaku ebisoma 5 nga muli mu kkomera.
Ssegirinya Muhammad badde nze mba nnina essuubi buli kaseera nti ogenda kuddengula otereere kubanga obadde ng'ompa essuubi buli kaseera wekusinkana Ssegirinya. Muhammad Ssegirinya Mukama Katonda.
That is Hon Allan Ssewanyana, Machinje West MP, the one who was incarcerated.
Tekisobose ddala okutegeeza bannakawempe North nti kitalo nnyo, kitalo ddala. Mwebale kutuwa mukisa kubasaavinga, mwebale kugumiikiriza byonna.
Tubulye ku bulamu bw'obusembyeyo ekiro ekikeesezo abadde atya biki businze kuvaawa?
Ekiro kye kisembyeyo olunaku olwaleero sijja kugamba nti obuzibu businze kuva wano. Ffenna tumanyi nti Hon Ssegirinya abadde n'obuzibu bw'ekibumba, abadde n'ebizibu bye nga bwe mubimanyi. Obulamu bwe bwatandika okubeera nti obaolyawo bukyankalana, ebbanga we yabeerera mu kkomera ery'emyaka obaolyawo erikunukiriza ku 2. So abadde kwegamba yanafuwa, naye era nga bw'omanyi nti omuntu ayina kyakola ki kyaluubirirwa nga yeekaka. Era bwe twasembayo okwogera naye wano nga bamuleese, yantegeeza nti singa Katonda aba obaolyawo ansobozesezza, nja kusobola bulungi nnyo obaolyawo okukomawo ate tutereeza ebyo bye twakola ki bye tutasobodde kutereeza mu gundi eno, era ng'ayina